In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem NFL Sunday ticket from Verizon. So Verizon, you just have to sign in here and you just have to navigate where is the redeem NFL Sunday. So this is not still available right now. That's why it won't appear. As you can see, this would appear if it is available. So you can see this. Select your offer. You could redeem it by any date, whatever the user of this set to date, yeah, just like this, redeem by October 21. It depends. And you could also select the NFL Sunday ticket from YouTube on us. As you can see, you just have to select that. And once you are selecting that, you could also use the application. But right now, the application in Verizon is not available. That's why I'm just using PC right now. Because in here, as you can see, the subscription, you cannot buy it in the cell phone. So you just have to buy it in their website. And for now, it is not available yet, and it is available. It depends if it will appear in their website. And there will be taxes. If you click this, there will be taxes and there will be filling options and the payment method. Once you are clicking this is where also you redeem the NFL Sunday ticket from Verizon. As you can see, this is the Verizon, and that's it.